Hello my dear friends, welcome to Spinner Apps YouTube channel. How are you today? In this video, I'm going to talk about the MaterialApps widget in Flutter. MaterialApp Widget is a convenience widget that wraps a number of widgets that are commonly required for material design applications. Actually, MaterialApp is a predefined class in a Flutter. It is likely the main or core component of Flutter. We can access all the other components and widgets provided by Flutter SDK. TextWidget, Dropdownbutton widget, AppBar widget, Scaffold widget, ListView widget, StatelessWidget, StatefulWidget, IconButton widget, TextField widget, padding widget, ThemeData widget, etc. are the widgets that can be accessed using MaterialApp class. There are many more widgets that are accessed using MaterialApp class. Using this widget, we can make an attractive app. MaterialApp has many properties that you can use in your app. Some of the most important properties are as follows. Title. Title property is used to provide a short description of the application to the user. When the user presses the Recent Apps button in mobile, the text preceded in the title is displayed. Theme. This property is used to provide the default theme to the application, like the theme color of application. Home. It is used for the default root of the app, means the widget defined in it is displayed when the application starts normally. Here we have defined the Scaffold widget inside the Home property. Inside the Scaffold we define various properties like AppBar, body, floating action button, background color, etc. For example, in the AppBar property we have used the AppBar widget, in which as a title we have passed Home, which will be displayed at the top of the application in AppBar. Color. The primary color to use for the application in the operating system interface. Dark theme. The theme data to use when a dark mode is requested by the system. Debug show checked mode banner turns on a little debug banner in checked mode to indicate that the app is in checked mode. This is on by default in checked mode. To turn it off, set the constructor argument to false. In release mode, this has no effect. Theme mode determines which theme will be used by the application if both theme and dark theme are provided. Theme. Default visual properties, like colors, fonts and shapes, for this app's material widgets. In the following videos, we will dive into coding Flutter app in Visual Studio Code. Okay. Dear friends, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe Spinner Apps channel, and press the bells icon for the next videos.